Aldık o. Öyle.
Evet.
Almadık o.
Aydasana maçını bir. Şu dediler galiba. Tabii o yoldu.
Uç sahibi.
Oh. Yersem sıfır.
Öyle ötüp etmiş edi. Lan tüyünün göbet ya.
Kırdan var. Maç bitip koydum hemen.
Yok. Missiya var da ne güzel. Maşını toğalma mı gayrı gel?
Hani aldım da.
Apart bastagan mı bu çetke?
Uyuttum maçı bitiyor.
Haş bulay.
Yeter devam.
Ne dedin o?
İçide.
Al ne oldu sürüp sür batır. Girmen geliyor. Al. Al. Ha. Ha.
Hava içi.
Ждырат надо видео қатырат.
Var içi.
О. Өлтіріп тастаймын ба барып тұрып. Видеоға түсіреді және машина отырып алады. Jesus.
Turka mevcut oynarken oraya sarıp gördü.
Çok iyi var.
Netflix falan biraz.
Diğeri öldürmek gitti hani. Keyin az. Maşına
Başka
katıldı.
sorun.
Yine gel.
Turka götürsün.
Al. Sağ. Atsam. Ui. Готов. Vay vay vay vay vay vay.
A few dollars?
Ağırımızdan koyduk.
That cheap to you?
Atlamadım onu. Sen videoga түсіресің және машина біліп аласың.
Gelir mi? Diyeceğim sayın.
Сол өзінің ақшасына қойып ештеңе алып.
You ain't even gonna admit it?
О,
Fine.
38.
Hope you sleep well
Ана
tonight.
сондайлар бар ма? Қайта ақшасына алып. Бойып кетемін.
Başka oturma bak.
You get away.
Boş ver. Ау, мені полиция қуып жатыр.
Uyduruyor var lan.
Ha, barga qaytdı, qaytқан көріп.
Қайта біреуді азайттым мен. Пайдасыз адам.
Barga qaytқан кірмez mi?
Look out now.
Салоншы рейнджер бар болғанда.
Ta adayım için mi?
Easy there.
Сәди әділі Кіре берші кет.
Tengah kapsa aldı.
Don't you worry about me.
There you
Мен
are.
қайта
Here
жәрдем
I
бердім.
am.
Азайттым
Come
ғой
on,
бір
let's
адам.
go. Let's go where? And why are you so riled up? Today is a great day, Arthur. Today is the day they are going to hang Colm O'Driscoll. That's so.
Rather they hang him or I shoot him.
Oh, they are gonna hang him.
Yeah, and not before time.
О, магазин.
That boy's been on the gallows more than most. I wouldn't count anything until his neck's broke. Well, nor would I. Which is why, despite us being
Stand
wanted
down.
men, we're gonna attend the event
Officer
ourselves.
And follow him onto the scaffold?
Well, let's hope not. But if I could see that son of a bitch breathe his last, I think
Officer
I'd die
down.
a happy man. We are gonna disguise ourselves
In this?
in this.
Officer down.
Okay.
Come on.
Hem challenge gösteriyor bro.
Hə?
Well, don't we just
Şey, Fortnite
look
ne istedi
apart?
olar?
We'll cut through the alley to get to the gallows.
Таза Fortnite қой. А, бұрын Fortnite. Соны ойнады да.
Our disguise is on.
Stream
and
seçim
our
ödedi
wits
sana.
about us.
Fortnite?
Mrs.
Ава,
Adler,
қайтарды ғой бұрынғысын. Уақытынша.
might I say,
Таза сезон.
being a fancy woman of Saint Denis shoots you.
I'd dress up like the
Well,
queen
what
of
did-
Sheba if it meant seeing that son of a bitch sweat.
Colm hung me up. Nearly
Ah,
butchered me.
canım, lan.
I don't mean I'm
Benim aslında
comfortable
burada
in this
ne?
woolen coat.
You made it out of that predicament, as I remember, Mr. Morgan.
Nasıl
Oy,
oynuyor?
oy.
Nasıl oynuyor?
Weren't so
Yazdı
lucky.
nasıl oynuyor?
You lost your husband. I lost my
Oh,
darling
mashina
Annabelle.
nega
Aqsa
That
to'g'ri
poor
onda,
boy
ya.
Kieran. We've all
Qanday
lost
jetib
something
tushunasiz?
because of
Ana
Colm.
qizga urayotgan bo'lsam ham.
And that is why we will shepherd him to
Yele bar.
Amen to that.
Aqsha
Keep those
topib.
fingers off those triggers, because we'll need
Normal,
cool
normal.
heads and calm
Ava,
dispositions
bırak,
to see
şamalasın
this
uçsun.
done.
Practice what you preach, brother.
Whatever
Ana
do
sen
you
olib ketgan adam bor-ku?
Are you gonna keep your cool?
Su odammi-ku,
You
короче.
seem
Su odamga
to lose
urasan.
it all so often now.
This doubting and questioning of yours?
Ana uni olib ketib sen urib tustaydi-ku.
You two quit.
Snaypermen ko'zlab o'tgan.
Y'all got a job to do, and we're all in rough agreement about how we're doing it.
Qo'lim
As far as I
adres
can
qildi.
tell.
Exactly.
We'll get it done, all right.
All right then.
Don't you want
Wow.
me like you want
We
you,
gotta hang it
baby?
the way
Mashina
this.
jillada, biroq o'zim mashina bo'lganda chotga yerda. Biroq bizning mashinaga o'tirg'izib qat'iy qo'yiladi.
Look here, don't the public love an execution?
He? Oo.
Hey? All right.
Shu yerdan olacağız, garantiya yo'q. Shu yerda bo'ladi.
You see
Turgan
that pair of assholes? The Combs boys. Yes, I
Bırak oturacağım
think
bak.
so. What a surprise.
Baş yolda da o.
I'm glad we're here.
Oo.
What are they pointing at?
Qalay no qiz qo'yib qalay chaqirmadim.
We gotta follow
Ne
to
dedi?
find out. Yeah.
Birizlarga tushdi.
Klientlarga dursan söylesin.
Stay here.
O'rda emas.
Don't do nothing.
Bu nega oldu?
O'ynab o'tir.
Go brush
No,
that
no,
horse,
no.
officer.
Yes, sir.
Nega o'g'irmadim.
The crowd came to see a show. We don't want to
Mesela
disappoint
niye
them.
oldu? Şimdi eşit
Guess they did miss their chance to see John swing by his neck.
Hey, hey, you know I wasn't going to let it come to that.
I guess I don't know what I know no more.
And I guess this isn't the time to question either my decisions or
Get those
yours. Here and now, Colm O'Driscoll's going to get his due. He's cutting in there.
O onu aylanıyor. Ne oldu? Ben kork.
Let's
Çıkıp
go.
korkmaganlar mı?
Oo, dedi.
Ne dedin? Hıt depşet. Oy beni öldüm ayağına. Kusura bakma. Ne oralmaysan?
How many? Enough.
Bence kulpta ne oralmaysan 5 yıldaydı.
I was up on the roof.
Uralmak da mı 5
Короче,
yılda?
bassana. Atma tekrar sana.
Yeah.
Ava.
I guess we face worse than
Para
this
oldu
before.
atmışlar basta.
Sure.
Qara oldu bururdan bir jatqardim oğlum.
Kassir kapıdan kirgan kezini pistolet taqib kirdi.
They got a guy up
Adana
on the
hakkı da
roof,
versin.
overlooking the gallows. Find a way up there.
Yok bir de
On one
onu
of these
ben.
verandas,
Kaç
through a
koştum
building
bekliyorum.
maybe, and get them.
Ya
Onu ne
akşama ne
korkuyorum.
alacağız?
Do
Aslan.
it silently.
İzmir'e.
Жаңа өтіп тұрған біреу машинаға отырсаң сондай екен ғой рахат көрді жаңа
Ağzına koyacak bir yapsın dedim.
Анжар мынау мылтық ұстап кіріп жатқан жоқ ал мылтық ұстап кіріп едім біраз не қылып жіберді
Akşama ne istediniz be aslan?
Yap. Бермәң кел
Oh, Arthur.
ол бермәң кел қаққа қаш
Yapmayın.
онайың не
Work
қойса
your way up to the roof and stop it. I'll go back to Mrs.
ане кім бар
Adler.
төбіседі
Oh, yeah.
суреттер тапса қоймай бармен қане
Bir koda mal kaçkanda yaparsın.
Nerede біреу бар анау затын тастап қашып кетіп жүрсің біреу жылап отыр мына
Bileme.
мында ал
Yani ayna var hani.
Kız ölmeye kaldı. O? Sәлеметсің бе?
Böyle canım gitti.
Koy bunda şimdi bir falan. Hani krema kapı.
Benim gibi bu gitti. Bu orucu böyle. Bak içeride traverse gelin diye öldürebilir.
Mıltıkım değil mi?
Well,
Lan tak at götür.
Kanka da sivrisin.
Business yerine de gidecek.
Ayağı.
Lan ayağım.
Қалай секіреді?
Ona kolu gibi olur. Olmaktan yakın bir geç koyayım da.
No.
your boss is gonna swing, I promise. You're pathetic.
Buna bir tak atıyor.
You're skinnier than I thought you'd be.
Kalktı canım maçından maçın.
Well,
Olmadı mı? Kakladı bu. Üzüyor.
there goes your escape
Açık
plan.
bir basamadı.
Yet justice itself can at times
Tahtayı bu.
be barbaric.
Akşa tavuğu koymadı mı?
For sometimes a man is so savage, the only way to deal with him justly
Bolun kutum
is
gerekir.
by savagery.
Kıvırtıran bana mı?
Colm O'Driscoll is
Yuhlap atayım mı?
one
Keşkeşeyim.
such man. He has murdered, tortured, robbed, stolen, raped, and
Hadi konuyu
abused
gaz.
for a decade across
Servisinden faydalan.
5 states.
Арқан асатын жерде не болуым керек? Кімді атуым керек?
Today,
Bu traber. Şimdi atlayacağım.
justice catches up with him.
As well you may.
Ayta da
I've
aktif
been a
sürüz
bad
atacağım.
man.
Silence!
These charges are...
This is not a court where you shall be tried. This is a place where your sentence is to be carried
Kimden
out.
satıyorsun?
Bundan ya.
Your sentence
Oğlum O'Driscoll. Sen hep ötken adam var o.
to be hanged by the neck until you
Biri aldı,
are
biri
dead.
aldı.
This is
Ne?
not a
Görüyorum,
task
görüyorum.
we take lightly. It is
Aa,
not
iyi
a
aldı.
task we enjoy. But
Ana,
it
usta
is
baksana,
a task
kurtarma olsun.
we must carry out
Құтқаруға
if
келіп тұрғандар
our
ұста.
civilization
Болсын.
is to prosper.
Ана құтқарып алып жап болды ма? Сол
Ава.
аста жап кезінде.
Are we ready?
Бір өзгеріп кетті ғой енді.
Colm O'Driscoll,
Енді расстанамасын атты.
may God
Ses.
in his infinite wisdom have mercy upon your soul. Whenever you are
Енді
ready.
sen aynı sniper'ını көріп қойды да sen.
Содан кейін
Содан кейін ана түрі өзгеріп кетті да ана.
Now you know how it feels to watch somebody you love die. You ruined my life!
If you can hear me, shoot some of these O'Driscolls. Get out of there! I got this!
O nerede біреу бар еді ғой. Затты ошибка қылатын.
Get some cover!
Бұл қой бұл. Бұнда біреу бұлақ болып келді ғой.
O'Driscoll boys!
Тана қожайын. Bu машина var. Sen.
Well, we got him.
Let's just get out of here.
Go.
Bunlar politsiyachilardan qalay qulaman endi.
Elinizde 65% ko'rsatib turibdi.
How you get on, Arthur?
Axırında epilog var go.
Well, we saw the bastard
Chapter'dan
hang
keyin.
okay, but no
Oynadım
thing
o.
ain't gonna save us.
Yo'q.
I guess that's one less thing to
Tol
worry
o'ynamanmi
about.
uni?
I guess compared to the entire government, in the
O'ynam
end,
kerak.
Neyse,
Colonel
oynasam
Driscoll didn't seem like such a worry.
Oynab.
A letter came for you.
Oh, okay.
I know it's from that Mary.
Kim oynaysan o'zini basa berib.
She ain't worth it, Arthur.
Who
Marston.
is?
Marston deb o'yinchak Marston. John Marston. Nega erdir
My
birday
dear
o?
Arthur,
Qalay
I
erdir
don't know if
birday?
you received the letter I wrote to you
Paul
from
Number,
San Denis a while back.
Boliwdi. Aytib.
O qaqdan bilding Arturning o'lib.
Aytib, adi qo'ydim. Ne olduğunu bildim o.
I got a TB. Qaqdan bildingmi? Tuberkuloz bu. Bu kishi davosi bor shu deb o'ylamadingmi? Tavuk qo'ygan. Ko'rgaysizmi?
Yo'q. Deb ko'raman.
Hello, Arthur.
Hey, get that
horse out of here.
All right, simmer down.
Nam ko'p mashina sotib kartada.
Ana ikkinchidan bo'lib ketadi. Tamam endi. Sen bilecek epilog olsun şu an. Marston.
Yeah.
Kegene kime koy?
Arthur.
Ha kartadan maşını çıkartıp düşünmeyet lan. O aldım da tamam. Hop
Yeah.
olmuş. Yok tamam bırak.
I'm not in the mood.
Hop.
Allah'a da.
Bu akşasına koyakta. You have discovered a small cave.
Doğrak maksadım ben.
Oo.
Boğumuz var mı?
Soğuk. Kalay benden akşas kapı.
Benim boğumuz var mı?
Bu akşas.
Yeah.
Kim o?
Ana boğumuz var mı? Ne boğumuz var?
Ben de jattım kolay.
Çiş rakam kadar.
Boğumuz var mı?
Geldim manage.
Bırak boğumuz var mı?
Ne yapıyorsun maşını? Ah koydu ananı var mı? Hani çakanada jatır anı garanti ederim ben. Öyle ama
Al bağırsa. Abi sakın. Ha ne güzel. Bunu kurs koymadan sen maktın. Onu kesin.
Keep pulling. I can feel it getting looser.
Come on, come
Oh God! Oh, you did it!
ben sigara çek.
I
Ne sürttü sürttü.
gotta get some scrap.
Hepsiymiş.
Ne
Mister,
sürttü?
I thought I was gonna be. Oh God! Oh, I thought I was gonna be a guard.
Arji.
You can
No
take
ne ya?
whatever
Nizet
you
no.
want from my pack for saving me.
O basın kalsaydı
Oh,
hadi.
Nizet koymadın.
Şimdi PlayStation'da oynasak düşünmeyeyim ne olur hiç.
Ne?
İyi.
PlayStation'da oynasam sürmeyeyim ben değil de. Bırak kara.
Siz de indirmedik.
PlayStation'da oynasam hadi daha. Al beni.
Easy girl. It's okay.
Terus siapa lak katırmaya kaldım.
Tamam mı PlayStation?
Ya kara kata jadı. PlayStation az koyup. Düş tutmasa PlayStation'da bir şey.
Ya bu mal ya bu.
Korkup ketdi. Atım borib.
Bir sonda sen abroy ko'tarishga harakat etayotgan yo'qsanmaylar.
Tamam. Қара сен абайыма қара.
Дауас жоқ кеселікке шалғандан кейін бір адамдарға жақсылық қылайын.
Қатсыз қалдырайын десе.
Сондай істеватқан жоқ па?
Әркім қайта білмеймін, неге түсіп кеткен. Алдыңғыда ойнайтын жоқ па? Алдыңғыда. Сен сонда полный жақсы болып кеткен шығар. Сағанша сен.
О да. Жақсы адам еді деп жылады ғой. Сол жігітті.
Просто қайту.
О не бір көресің.
Оны білмеймін, қайту. Просто өлетін білемін.
О не бір көресің. Айттым ғой міне, полицейскийде жатыр. Тапсашы қой. Машинда қайтарып алу үшін 250 төлем керек та.
Easy now.
Алайын ал, төлейін ал.
Kaç dedik ki dokuz.
Ойбай. Ойбай, 2 жұлдыз. Оны мен машин қатысы жоқ болса болады, қатия. Не деген құрметсіз жоқ.
Kurang kata paham.
Саған иградағы заттың дүниясында жасау
Көп қой менде бәрі.
ойнамаса бердер дейді.
Неге?
Сол заманда жасайды. Керемес сол заманда.
Haqiqiy outlaw'larning o'zimi.
Hey there.
Бірақ қиын бірақ. Кәде оғып қоды.
Olmağa hareket edip durdu. Hayda. Korkma bak. Endi ne? Ta yürü. Şaşaldırar.
Easy there, easy.
Hani kazino? Soğan bakmacım gerek. Akşam tutacağız.
Paraya gitti. Müzik çevirmek istedim.
O müzik bitti geliyor. Spalayın ne mutlusun? Oy жаңағыдай болмыш болып кетті.
Okey. Gitmem için oldu.
$7,000 evet.
Get back.
Yok, bonuslar.
Ю, ойық.
Aha.
Ayı usta.
Ben bonus yok o ne falan çizildi.
Aslında ayı usta.
Аю?
Al balası.
Оңға ақ тастап жүрсең.
Алдына шықты.
Өлтіріп тастадың ба? Аюдың баласын өлтіріп тастадың.
Мамасы еді.
Аю жүгіріп кетсе, айында не қылмай тұр? Қашып кетпей тұр, қимылдамай тұр. Аю кетіп қалады. Қасаңа кетіп қалады. Süper Muhammed değil mi?
Bilmesin.
Ne dedi? Oh. Bize dedi, downtown driver come by to pick up and ne dedi? Solid.
Қарасақ мен тонайжақ.
Ақша іспесең ақша береді.
Earn your fortune.
Тонайжақ болса өлтіре
Maybe
берсең.
today is the beginning of the end. Help a blind man.
Елті деген қайсақ.
$1 for your future.
Елті деген қайсақ.
$1 for your fate.
Шеп жақ бетінде төмендегі шар. Жоғарысына.
There you go.
$1.
Vincent қой мынау.
I see the morals and see them clearly,
Vincent.
sir. Even when all reason is lost and all truth has become lie,
Brian,
you
yeah,
will stand firm. For loyalty is both your saving and your curse.
All right. Well, I'll have to take your word for it.
Namusga değil.
кетіп қаламыз болды.
Okay, girl.
Don't waste any more.
Болды қояғы сөйлейміз.
Gözünce adamı sen diyorsun.
Boy, stay.
Baba koyuyor.
Адам құсап кейіну керек еді.
Böyle ağız okuyor, bıyıklarım
He?
Sonra fotoğraf yapıyor.
He? Ben көрем ойлап. Бола қоймай ма? Том екен.
Console Forest. Console Forest nerede? Tre. Biz mi oynuyoruz? Bu ne?
So good of you to join us. What's going on? Rebellion. The smell of cordite and integrity. It is a beautiful thing.
What are y'all doing?
An eye for an eye. We didn't start this, Arthur. They did.
We? This ain't our fight.
It surely is.
on.
Whatever it is you're planning, it ain't a good
Başım.
idea. They want you to fight.
Nobody will be killed.
Al.
We're just
300
gonna
dolar
trap a
yıklattı
few of
beni.
them in the valley, disarm them, tar and feather them, and remind them to leave these boys alone.
Al lan ne?
have energy
Lan
for
aylandırsam kazan değil
Come
bu.
on, Arthur. Just tweaking
Erpa değil
Uncle
de
Sam's
closing değil
nose
de
a little.
closing
I
değil de.
need
Maç
you
var
to
ya.
help me.
Vehicle. Bak iyi. Continue. Hani amaç yok.
Besides, it's perfect.
Aylandır.
People will see these boys. They
Estate.
won't notice us, and they'll think we're gone.
Давай, давай,
Everyone
давай,
will blame
давай.
everything on the Indian problem, and we'll disappear
Kaç.
up the river. But first, we need to trap them in this.
O
pass.
30 мың ba?
Help me dynamite up these
Bu ne?
trees.
15 değil. 15 değil.
So, you're using them.
No, sir.
아,
No.
카지노다 오니던 거 너. 하네 악셔 거들이.
But it
나
is
오냐 버리.
mutually beneficial to draw attention to one problem
하나 거인 바르고 뭐고 베이스볼.
over another.
Ne dedi? Spin dedi. Bet 1 dedi.
But
Hani bet
the
break.
situation is real complex. We ain't helping them.
Max'ta.
Sure we are.
Bolt ket.
Come on, let's get this done.
Ne oldu? Üstüme kadaldık mı? Da ne oldu? Kadaldık mı?
We don't have a lot of time. The patrol should be coming in a few
Şeyde
minutes.
barbız.
Okay. Hurry, Arthur. I'll plant the dynamite, you run the wire.
We'll keep lookout from up here.
Ottuk o. Yürü.
Buranın da kiyini alırsan gördün ama.
Akşa onu. Etten yürü.
Çemiş değil mi?
Akşa solar akşa. Almastırırsan bu arada.
Ya
I
bu
sent for some of that dynamite. You
Hello.
and Bill commandeered in Van Horn.
Ya ya.
Good work with that, by the way.
Well
Ne
played,
bileyim ne de
Trump.
oldu?
The
Eşiği.
perfect man for the job.
Bu ne? Acquire chip dedi. Trade chip.
Duruyor mu kapat?
So, you finally
15
got
mi?
to
Bak
see
onda böyle.
Colm hang.
Yeah.
Buraya 15 var.
After all those
Duruyor,
years.
duruyor.
hard
Buraya 1
bullet.
dolar ne kadar? Sonunda 15 dolar.
Oh, but
Hayal.
it was worth the wait.
Bu oyunu ayrı.
See? We're tying up
Hani
the
ne
loose
ister neydi?
ends,
Maçın
Arthur.
dolanmayı izleyin.
One by one.
Bunu çıkmayı mı?
Ya bu oyun ismi. Ana almasın bir gitti. Tamam gene aylandı.
Ya tura bersin. Kasından bir bölük kan. İşi o'tirgan o beshara.
Orlak.
Max.
Oh büyük anında sürdü.
I think that should do it. Come on
Men
now,
shunga
quick.
besiydi.
Get back up
Yazdığı
here.
olunca ana.
Okay, let's go, Arthur.
Büyük olsun da bir sürdü. Basma tamam.
Hurry! I think I see some
Şu
movement in
ben
the
de.
distance.
Bir baskısı çok var ya at var edi o. Kaç bulay.
The detonator's by me.
Adam satın alamaz mı? Adam var mı? Söyleyeceğim ben diyeceğim.
My spotter will let us know
Ulan
when they're
canım
near.
kasino var abi. Attım.
They're coming now.
Oh.
God damn.
Poker mı? Ha poker oynuyor.
Patrol's a lot larger than we thought it was gonna be.
Don't worry. That's a good thing.
Bir de adjust that dit.
Okay, that's the
Davay
signal.
30.
Here they come. Stay low and quiet.
You sure you don't want me to man that plunger, Arthur?
No, I got it.
Ha kartam var
I'll
emeği.
remove the weight of the world from your shoulders for a minute. Like I said, we're just going to give them a bit of a scare.
Yeni oynuyor. Hani?
There they are. Looks like more than we thought.
It's fine. We're only here to talk and administer a little good old-fashioned
Tuttum o akşam.
humiliation.
Ya başka mı?
You're owed that, son, at the very least.
Şu
Wait for my lead, men.
Everyone just stay calm. We've got the upper hand here.
Ha ürün var şu.
Okay.
Звезда волнута. Şu bir dikisi mi?
Our soldier!
My father won't be happy about this.
They're flying hard!
Ne açmadın mı? Yine de
Looks like we got a fight then, boys! I see 4 or 5 men! Not gonna bear is enough!
Look out! Take them down!
baş kurayım bana.
You be belly up soon enough!
Kont bize bırak aşağıda da koyalım.
Do you regret your choices now? You bastard!
Kont bize aşağıda. Hadi çıkıyoruz kayıttan.
You fools, you damn fools! It's the army! It is one regiment of pastry chefs and bullies. Watch your goddamn mouth. All of you, take what you can, and then we move out.
Move now. We have to move now.
Search these men quickly, then we move.
This is crazy. Why aren't we getting
Heyecat
out of
degemende
here?
yok mu olar?
They might have information on them that'll help our friends with
Play
their
the way.
wars.
We need anything my father can use to strengthen our case.
I ain't sure much is gonna strengthen your case after this.
300.
Tasta kayıtta.
Siz bir kodun İngiliz dili olsa ki aklı bulamadı falan.
Kötürük kanı. Kazina gittik geçen aynı.
Find anything?
Yes. Some poor fool from
Mintik
New
vat falan
Jersey.
sonra.
These
Kazinoda.
boys ain't the
Kazino
problem.
oynavat. Poker.
Kids.
Keep looking.
Bir işsiz tuvala koyup akşam tecrübe gelsin. Davay be. Adam. Vay adam. Gel. Kuş sen. Baş bir kayıtta. Yüzüm size akşam ısıp git.
What do we do here, Dutch? This is a lot of men!
Just hold your ground. Surrender, and they'll hang you all. Try to flank them, Arthur. We'll shoot you some space.
Nasıl çok oyunda page up gelir falan.
Up the hill, the cannon. Take out the spotter, Arthur.
Yukarı öl. Қалай мен рейджап дегенде қашқан болады? Awesome.
Too many of us. You're
Fine,
son of a
that's
bitch.
good.
The heck is wrong
Tamam.
with you?
Analar. Bunu mu oynuyor?
Where's Peta?
Ne? Kaçar bu arada.
They're sending riders from the fort. We need to leave.
But where's Peta? Was he
Ne
killed?
bol.
He's
Ben
alive.
tutamaz.
Well,
Bak
that
körüğü
went
bul
just
gerek
about
ya.
according to plan. I'm
Hand
trying.
rankings.
I'm trying, Arthur, with everything I have, and I will keep trying, and you'll keep
Blake.
doubting me, and we'll keep failing. It ain't like that, Dutch. Look at me. Look at me. I'm just... This ain't how we do things. I know. We should go. Where's Eagle Flies? Run, son! Run! Come on! This area is gonna be crawling with soldiers in a few minutes.
Давай,
We
мы
gotta
будем.
leave now. What about Eagle Flies?
Kanal
We
et
gotta
dedi.
go, Arthur. Come on. Oh, we need to ride hard. Stay with me.
Машин тюнинг еткенде болады dedi o. Ya amma ya.
لا عيطوا بقى على باذن الله بس
Ne bakmış. Давай, play. Tuz şıkta kaçacaktır.
Left here, into the trees.
bozdular almastıra yattı.
Yaxşı bir kaçar. İt de olmayalar.
Anaqda dollar aylanmışsa bag'anaqda.
This area is gonna be crawling with soldiers in a few minutes. We gotta leave now. What about Eagle Flies?
Haydi.
We gotta go, Arthur. Come on. You all right, we need to ride hard. Stay with me.
Bir de abet ona. Yaxşı oynat. Tak
Left here, into the trees.
Sangat ketkenmiz. Tak garanti ichib qoladi.
Okay, let's dismount here. We won't get the
Only
horses
bad
down this path. All right, let's carry on by foot and try and sell them a little snake oil. You think? It's all I got. Get out of here.
Hani geçti bak.
See if we can lose them down here.
Tamam ya tamam.
Good hell. Gonna put one right between your
Bakın.
I guess not. Get behind something, Arthur.
We gotta make it.
Oldu.
This is. Come on. Let's see if there's a way out through here.
Hani içi al.
More on the left. God damn. Send it right. Ah!
We will kill you yet.
Let's keep going. Follow the path. It's got to spit us out somewhere. Behind us. Hold them off. Fire This is a losing battle, Arthur. Oh, we gotta do something. I'll see you in there.
Done now.
This is it. This.
Ağala 15 bin lira
Well,
basmayla vapşi var mı?
Arthur.
Put your hands up! I said put your damn hands up!
Okay. Okay. Follow my lead. I got a plan. This is a good one. Hello, officers.
You keep them hands up and come here. Put your hands up!
Hello, Captain.
Keep your hands up and come here. Come here.
We can't do that. Your man, those men they killed, they were good men. You're fighting nature, Captain.
Get over here!
Ask my friend here. My whole life, I tried to fight change. It's a waste. I see that now. It's a waste. You can't fight nature, Captain. Can't fight change. You're okay. You're okay.
What a mess!
I know, but a mess is what we need. Oh, we just escaped from chaos. Eagle flies must have been taken.
Taken or killed?
Well, we can't go find out.
No, not now.
Charles, we'll send them. Where is it?
He's probably back at camp.
Let's split up. I'll go tell him. You rest up, then go meet him up at the reservation. We are gonna make it, brother. I can feel it. Faith, Arthur. Have faith.
Kaçında olsun yapıyor bu ateşi? Ya. Kavuşma.
Yep.
Kalın yok mu? Bak. Hani hayret. Şimdi başa.
Bu Mercedes sonra.
Lütfen.
Yeah.
Yep.
Çıktım ya, izlemeni yok.
Yes.
Давай.
It's all right, girl.
Arthur. Hello, Charles.
Thank you for coming.
Of course.
The chief, he's very... Maybe you could speak to him?
Yes, that's why I came.
He's in his tent.
Sure.
I'll wait for you here.
He has earned Chief's friendship. Perhaps he means well.
Hello?
Come in. Mr. Morgan, I'm so glad you could make it.
How are you?
My son. My son is foolish, but he's still my son.
I know your son. A little. He's very brave. Very angry. He's me.
How is your father?
He's dead a long time. He lived a lot longer than was good for any of us.
My son probably wishes the same to me.
I doubt that.
I want peace. I need my people to be safe. All my life I've tried to bring peace. But I love my son. They'll hang him for treason. Treason. He is the chief's son of a proud nation. How could he commit treason? People who have lied to my people for 100 years or more, that's treason.
Well,
what should I do?
I don't think there's much chance reasoning with Colonel Favors.
No. In any chance we had, your friend, Mr. Vanderland, has ensured relations between us and the army are worse than any point in the last 5 years. I'm sure he means well. But matters are more complex than he understands.
Me and Charles will try and rescue your son.
No.
Yes, yes. I ain't got much to lose, and you got... I'm doing this. Charles! Where are you? Come on, let's go. We need to get his son back, of course. I just ain't sure how.
I've been working on that. I think there's a way. Follow me.
None of the young ones still here want to know the ways of the elders.
So, I've been scouting the fort. The army are patrolling all the main roads and bridges in and out, but if we can get the horses across the river, I found a route that should get us in fairly close. If we wait until late enough, there's a place we should be able to sneak in around the back.
Okay, whatever you think. I trust you.
No guns, just knives and arrows. If we start making a lot of noise, he'll be dead before we get close to him.
Okay.
I left 2 canoes downriver, in case we need another way out of there.
Okay, good.
You know, this wouldn't have happened if it wasn't for Dutch.
Yeah, but we all went along with it.
He saw eagle flies burned hot, and he fanned the flames. He never had any intention of helping those people.
At this point, I ain't sure if he's got any intention of even getting us out of here. He could be stringing everyone along. But he's holding all the money. Ain't that crazy?
You feel that? There's rain on the wind.
I know. Listen, Charles. If it goes bad in there, you get yourself out. You got more to lose.
No. Come on. Don't start talking like that.
I didn't tell you before, but I saw a doctor. It's pretty bad. Well, it's gonna get worse.
Oh, Arthur. Any day we can die. We're riding to break an Indian chief's son out of a cavalry fort. We could both die tonight. In a way, it is a gift to know. In a way, you were lucky.
Sure don't feel like that.
You still have time to make amends. The others, Hosea, Lenny, Sean, all them, they didn't. And what about the Calendar boys? Both killed trying to escape Blackwater? A more vicious pair of bastards than ever was. And that's all they ever were and will be.
Maybe.
You're lucky. You got the chance to do something better. My guess is maybe that's why you're here now.
I'm here now because Dutch asked me to. I need to keep playing along with his plan until I find out where all that money's hidden.
Okay. Are you all right?
Yeah, I think so.
That current's strong. Up here. Follow me.
You were right about the damn rain.
Yeah. But might help us with sneaking in there. The rainfall told me there was some retaliation after the meeting with Colonel Favors. Some women were taken. Elders beaten.
Bastards.
Yeah. This isn't gonna be nice. There it is.
Should be fun. Let's get ourselves hidden and wait till it gets dark.
Over here.
I guess this is it.
I guess it is.
Let's keep quiet and try and find a way in. Main thing is that they don't hear us. You ready?
Patrol group. Hopefully we'll be in and out before they can come back around.
Let's deal with those two at the gate first. You take one, I'll take the other. Now, come on. Okay, come on. Let's see if we can get around the back. Stay close to the wall. Careful. There's a guard up there. Okay, let's go. Good. Let's keep moving. Wait. Shh. Wait. Two more. One in the tower, one on the ground. Same as before. You take one, I got the other. Okay, come on. Around the back. This is the spot. Guard up ahead. Have you got a shot? Found him?
I'll handle this.
Good. Let's move. Moving. Shit. Another guard on the walkway. Now keep moving. Careful. Two more. One each again. Quick, Arthur. Good work. Come on. This way. Wait. I'll make sure the tower's clear. Come on. We're good. There's a guard out front. You take him. I'll cover back there. All right. Good. The jail should be just down here. We'll never get past these guards. Get up that tower and try to distract them.
Try to put an arrow into the lantern above that stack of wood over there. Start a fire. You should have a clear shot from the walkway up there.
Come on, man. Do it, Arthur. Care.
What are you doing, Arthur? The whole fort is on lockdown! We'll never get eagle flies out now!
Damn it. There's more out front. Go up the tower and see if you can cause a distraction.
Try to put an arrow into the lantern above that stack of wood over there. Start a fire. You should have a clear shot from the walkway up there.
Hurry. We'll never get past these guards. Get up that tower, try to distract them.
Arthur Morgan? Charles? Is that you?
Got him. Come on. Your father sent us?
My father. He told you to come and kill guards?
No, he didn't say that,
Of course not.
You okay?
Sure. Enjoy being tortured. Clears the mind.
If you say so. Whoa, whoa.
I'm fine, I'm fine.
I'll have to shoot our way out.
Put it between his bastard eyes. Come on, move up!
You're done. I'm gonna blast the hell out of you.
I warned you! Watch yourselves! More up ahead! They got the chief's son! Gonna see you. Watch out for some of the towers! Done now!
One of the walls was broken. Took me in. Damn. They must have fixed it.
Arthur, deal with this, would you?
Yes, but how?
What about that cannon?
Okay.
Sounds like back here. We need to move fast.
It worked! Come on!
You're okay. Here, come on. Get on. This way. Come on. Hit some canoes down by the river.
They'll pay for this. They'll wish they killed me when they had a chance. Let's just get you to safety first. It's like Dutch said. They only have power when you allow them.
Watch out for the current! Look out! On the shore! They're coming after us!
This is some swell.
Watch yourself. Last thing we need is one of us going in.
Believe me, that ain't my plan.
Another one! Right! Go to hell! Look out! On the left! Blast you!
I'm fine. Give me a gun. I can help. Just keep your head down.
On the left! You ready for more trouble up ahead? The water should be calmer ahead. We just need to keep going. We need to get as far away from the fort as possible. Look right! Look right! I don't see any more of them. They won't give up easily. Stay ready. No, I was wrong. Two more on the left. Don't kill their horses. We can use them to ride out of here. I don't see any more of them. Let's get over to the shore.
I think we lost them. Come on.
You okay, Arthur?
Yeah, I'm right as rain. How are you?
I'll be fine in a day or so. I heal fast. Colonel Favors won't be too happy with your rescue.
I guess not.
Yeah, there's gonna be a lot more trouble. My father, even he may have to fight.
You won't win. No big fight with them. Shouldn't y'all just run away?
Where would we go?
I don't know.
My friend, let me take you back to your father.
Thank you.
Don't mention it.